Today, I will be reviewing the quiz that you guys just took last week. Most of you guys did really well on it, but a few of you are still having some confusion with it, so I want to make sure I review and give you the answers. So for numero uno, we're looking to write the direct object pronoun to replace the direct object. So if the direct object were las pelotas, what would be our direct object pronoun? It would be las. For numero dos, we have los partidos, the games. If we wanted to make los partidos them instead of the games, we would replace it with los. You wouldn't put partidos back in there because we're trying to replace it to make it shorter when we're talking in Spanish, so it would be los. If you had un gol, the word that you would replace it with would be lo, to say it instead of the goal. Número cuatro, la pelota. Instead of saying la pelota, we want to say it, and because it's femenino, it would have to be la. For las redes, the nets, como en tenis, we would change it to say them instead of the nets. We would say las. For los balones, the balls, like in basketball, we would change los balones to say them to be los. La portería, instead of saying the goal, if we wanted to change it to it, femenino, it would be la. So that's the first part. The second part, where it says el portero lanza la pelota, the first thing we want to do is identify the direct object in the sentence, and that's going to be la pelota. So we're going to replace la pelota with la, and we have to put that before our conjugated verb. So our answer would be el portero la lanza. And we're getting rid of la pelota. Some of the students actually kept la pelota in the sentence, and you want to get rid of that because you're not going to say the goalie throws it, the ball. You're just going to say the goalie throws it. Número dos, los jugadores pierden el partido. So we're going to change. So the el partido is your direct object. Remember, it usually comes after your conjugated verb, and we're going to change that to lo. We're going to get rid of el partido, and so our answer is going to be los jugadores lo pierden. They lose it instead of they lose the game. Número tres, we have el jugador de tenis usa las pelotas. What does he use? Remember, the direct object identifies the who or the what in the sentence. He uses las pelotas, the balls. We're going to change las pelotas to las, and we're going to place that right before our conjugated verb. So our answer is going to be el jugador de tenis las usa. He uses them instead of he uses the balls. Número cuatro, mis amigos juegan dos deportes. Dos deportes comes right after our conjugated verb. That's our direct object. That's our what in the sentence. So we would change that to los because we want to say them. That's masculino. And we're going to place it right before our verb. So we have mis amigos los juegan. They play them. My friends play them. En número cinco, el equipo gana todos los partidos. Todos los partidos is actually our entire direct object pronouns, direct object, sorry. And we're going to replace that whole thing and get rid of it. So it's going to become los because it's all of the games, and we want to change it to them. So it would be el equipo los gana. So the team wins them. So you guys, I corrected everybody's quizzes on Schoology. You can see your grade, and I also made some comments for you. So you can take a look at that today. And then you're going to go on to doing your episode 3 of Buena Gente. And if you have any questions, always you can ask me, and I'll be here. Muchas gracias, and have a wonderful day. Que tengan buen día. Adiós.